Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads, and I'm going to walk you through how to use PDF guides to generate buyer leads and seller leads even when you don't have any listings. So at Listings to Leads, you've got over 50 PDF guides in your account, all branded to you, 25 plus for buyers, 25 plus for sellers. You can use images in your ads, videos like this one in your ads, your own custom videos, our videos, so people click on them, they click either the learn more button or the video, and you're gonna get name, email, and phone number for all of these leads. So the ads can have videos, they can have images like this one, they can be in English, in Spanish. The PDF guides are also in English and Spanish as well. So you've got a lot of opportunity to generate buyer leads, seller leads, even when we don't have any listings, using Listings to Leads. And it's so easy to do. So when you're at Listings to Leads, if you're not a client, go to listingstoleads.com, sign up for a free trial. And when you log in, you'll be at the Get Started, go to Ads. And if you haven't set this up yet, it's like a 30-second setup. And you'll just walk through the wizard on this page to get that done. But to create one of these ads using one of these over 50 PDF reports, click Create PDF Report Ad. You'll see we got buyer reports, we got seller reports. You can toggle between English and Spanish over on the right-hand side here. But for this one, we're going to go to buyer reports. I'm going to come back into English. And I'm going to select the one for down payment assistance right here. All you got to do is click on it. It's going to bring you right to the workspace where the ad is right here, ready to go. All you have to do is type in the location. We got everything set up already. All right, we've done hundreds of thousands of ads through Listings to Leads. And all you got to do is type in the location. You got lifetime budget pre-selected, a budget of $35 here. And that can be, you can edit that up or down as you want. We're going to run the ad for 1 week. And again, you can extend that out as long as you want to. And now this is where it gets really cool. So this image is one that we've got for you to use right here. Now I can click Change Media and I can upload my own video. So if I got a video talking about down payment assistance in my area, I could click the green upload button right there and upload that video. We've also got different videos in the system as well. We've got different images that you can use. So for example, I could select that video, click insert, and that will put the video into my ad so that the ad will be using the video. Now it'll take about a minute for it to upload right here. And so while we wait for that to upload, I'll just say that this video is actually uploading into Facebook. That's how it's got to be done to use video in Facebook. And so that can take about a minute. You can also retarget. So if you've got a retargeting ad or a custom audience, you can use that. You've also got advanced options here, which we recommend 99% of the time. Don't even worry about that, all right? Just click Publish, and that's all you got to do. So it's going to put you back on the Ads tab, and I'll show you how to check on that ad in a second here after it gets done recycling. So there's the ad created successfully. That's been sent to Facebook for review, and that will be up live shortly. And then once you land back on this page here, go ahead and click where it says View Ad. And if you get to the next page and it shows you like it's no longer active, actually it's kind of weird messaging. That means it hasn't had time to populate yet. Usually if you just refresh the browser once, it will populate. So there we can see it's going to come up. And so there's the ad we just did. And now I'll click on the blue Show Ad here to the right. And we can test that ad out and make sure it's working well. So I will scroll down. And so there's the ad.
Are you single and still renting? You may be able to buy your own home.
And again, this could have been an image. That could have been a video, could have been your own video. And again, people just click the Learn More. And you are now collecting name, email, and phone number for every single lead. So these are phenomenal types of ads to run to generate both new leads, but also to engage your current and past leads, all right? We want to be showing listings where we can, but we've also got over 50 PDF guides in Listings to Leads. So in your Listings to Leads account, when you click on Create PDF Report Ad, take a look at all these buyer reports, take a look at all these seller reports. If you want to do a video, like a bomb type of video, For example, on 5 dangers of overpricing your home, right? You could do a video on that topic. When you get to doing this ad right here, click change media, upload your own custom video for that, and click publish, and really start promoting your brand, start promoting yourself, and start really engaging with people in your local market at a much higher level, easier and more powerfully than otherwise possible. So if you have any questions on this, by all means, let our team know, and we'll talk to you soon.